Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm back to share how I touch up the front of my hair. I had this braids in for about 7 weeks, and as you can see, I have so much new growth, but I'm not ready to take it out because, believe it or not, I am really enjoying this blue hair. So I'm gonna wear it for as long as possible, okay? So in this video, I am using a different approach to touching up my hair because my hairline is prone to traction alopecia. I have seen where people retwist the front braid as if they were retwisting lock, and I have seen people like interlock the braid as if they were doing locks. But I'm not going to do that because I'm already prone to traction alopecia and I had a hair transplant. So for me, it's not a shortcut. Sorry if you came to this video hoping for a shortcut, but for me, I completely take out the front of my hair and then I rebraid it. Usually it's just supposed to take, the parameter, but I went overboard and I took about like half of my head out. But which is okay because it allowed me to wash my hair, condition, remoisturize, and properly assess my hairline. So one thing that really made me happy when I took the braids out, I realized that I had some buildup at the point of connection where the extension is like hooked to my hair. Usually I have a lot of buildup, but I've been washing my hair every 2 weeks faithfully, and I noticed that even though I had some buildup, it wasn't too much. So it made detangling very easy. And here I am rebraiding my hair. I am almost done. If you look closely, in the past I used to do the squares because I thought it was the easier way when I'm self braiding my hair. But I watched some videos where the girls were doing this pattern, which is like half C's or half circles, and I decided to try it on this front of my hair, and I have to say I actually really like it. I think I'm gonna start doing this for the front of my hair versus the squares. To give my hair a different look, a different style, since I'm retouching it, I decided to give it a little crinkly look, which consists of braiding the tips of the hair and then dipping it in hot water. Now, I've done this so many times myself, so I know what I'm doing, but if you need help, please get some help and don't burn yourself. Christmas, the Christmas tree's on fire. Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars. I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh God, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. I then proceed by taking the braids out, and this is the final look. Because I wore the braids like just straight for like 7 weeks, now I can wear it like this for a few more weeks, and I have truly enjoyed this hair. I have to say I have received like so many compliments with this blue hair. I have never gotten so much attention in my life. But this blue hair gives me all the attention I ever needed in this lifetime. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave all questions and comment down below. And I am doing Vlogmas. If you don't know by now, you do know, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and to keep up with my Vlogmas videos. It's not a Christmas song. My neighbor